Planning for healthcare costs in retirement is like crafting a family recipe. Every ingredient plays a vital role in the final result. The flour provides the structure and foundation for the cookies, just as Medicare provides the essential coverage for your healthcare needs. Sugar adds sweetness and enhances the flavor, making cookies more enjoyable, just as health savings accounts, HSAs, add flexibility and tax advantages to your financial plan. Eggs bind your ingredients together, ensuring the right texture. Similarly, long-term care insurance binds your healthcare costs together by providing essential coverage for expenses as you age. Your Medicare plan, health savings account, and long-term care coverage are all essential ingredients you need to review regularly. Just as a pastry chef combines ingredients to create the perfect cookie, a financial professional blends different sources of retirement income to create a financial plan that's uniquely yours. Prepare for the healthcare coverage you need by leaning on the ones you trust to deliver the perfect recipe.